Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 6 Fruit Street, Unit 4, and this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in Worcester, Mass, on the 2nd floor. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the inside. So right to my left, that's the main staircase to come up into the hallway, and then here's the living room. So the living room kind of goes to every other room in the apartment. We could take a look down here first. So you got a little hallway, and then the hallway goes into this bathroom. So the bathroom's kind of away from the other 2 bedrooms, which is pretty nice. Sometimes people don't like when the bedroom is right next to the bathroom, but you do get this in here. Plenty of the stuff inside the house was delivered in pretty much rent-ready condition. So you got lots of nice finishes, nice vinyl floors, and paint that goes throughout. And the bathroom's in pretty good shape too. You also do get a little medicine cabinet behind the mirror. And that's a full bath, so 2-bed, 1 bath. You got these heaters, so it's baseboard heating, and they should be electric. Double check with the listing. The listing information in the description will say exactly, but these thermostats make it look like it's electric. It's also a stainless steel electric stove, stainless steel fridge, both in pretty good shape. It's a 5-top right there. This is the kitchen. So you got this kitchen area. It's got the baseboard, nice big window, good finish on the backsplash there as well, and granite countertop. So kind of a lot of premium finishes in here. And I am pretty sure now that it's electric because the electric baseboard heaters are kind of spaced out room by room like that, so you get the separate thermostats. This is the extension of the living room, so it's kind of like a closet. You could put a little curtain here and then have huge inside storage space, or maybe put a couch in there, and then you could put TV over there. Really, whatever you want. There's a lot of options for there. So this would be bedroom number 1. It's going to be similar size, a little bit smaller than the other one, which would technically be bedroom number 2. You get the baseboard heat. It's got the closet, and then that door would go out to the rear of the building. There's a way to get down the stairs on the outside of the rear as well. So you have this room here. Then as you come back through, there's another room on this side, and then this one would have no door that goes back out to the rear. It's got a pretty big window. Like I said, it's a little bigger than the other one, it feels like, while you're in here. And the condition of everything looks good as well, like the paint, the floors, the ceilings are also all in really good shape. And you get this closet with the sliding doors and a clothes rack that goes there. And yeah, it's definitely electric baseboard. So that was 6 Fruit Street, Unit 4. If you want to see a full list of everything that we have for rent, you can go to Nexus, WOR.com. You go to the For Rent page, and I'll have all the vacancies that we have. And once again, this was Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.